Welcome back, everyone, and happy Thanksgiving. I hope you all have had a wonderful day today with family and friends. A winter storm is currently impacting Montana and will continue to impact the entire state as we go through the rest of tonight and tomorrow. Almost everyone in Montana is under either a winter storm warning, which is the pink on this map, or a winter weather advisory, which is the purple on this map. For the winter storm warning, portions of western Montana are under this warning through tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow evening, as 1 to 6 inches of snow is expected. And then most of north central Montana and portions of northeastern Montana are under this winter storm warning through tomorrow evening or Saturday morning. In north central Montana, 3 to 10 inches of snow is expected, while in northeastern Montana, 2 to 7 inches of snow is expected. And another thing I want to point out is that winds are going to be gusting as high as 35 to 40 miles per hour during the day tomorrow. So blowing and drifting snow is also going to be an issue tomorrow. Definitely not a good day to be traveling, so avoid traveling tomorrow if you can. There's also a winter weather advisory in effect for portions of southeastern and south central Montana, as well as portions of western Montana. The Helena area, the Highwoods, the Little Belts, and the Snowies, as well as Judith Basin County, is also under a winter weather advisory through tomorrow evening or Saturday morning, just depending on your exact location. 1 to 5 inches of snow in the lower elevations with 3 to 10 inches in the mountains. Then northeastern Montana, including northern Valley County, is under a winter weather advisory through Saturday morning for 2 to 4 inches of snow. On the Opportunity Bank of Montana weather camera, it has been mostly cloudy and mostly dry for most of today, but we did see a little bit of rain this evening. In Great Falls, it was a nice day for a majority of the day, but once we got into this evening between about 6 and 7, that's when that snow did begin to fall, and it has been snowing for the past several hours. And due to that snow, roads are snow covered all throughout the electric city, so use extreme caution if you are traveling anywhere. We are seeing widespread snow throughout north central and portions of northwestern Montana right now. And some of the snow that is currently falling is moderate to heavy at times, especially in southern Choteau County, northeastern Cascade County, and Judith Basin County. As we go through the rest of tonight, snow is likely within north central Montana, and some of that snow will be moderate to heavy at times. Around the Helena area, some scattered rain and snow showers around tonight, with the snow becoming more widespread as we head into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow it's going to be a snowy day for basically everyone in Montana. The heavier snow will fall during the morning and the early afternoon. As we head into the late afternoon and the evening, that's when that snow will begin to break apart, and it will lighten up as well. As we go through tomorrow night, that snow will gradually work its way out of the state, and the skies will begin to clear out, with mostly sunny skies expected for the beginning of this weekend. This is a look at how much snow accumulation is expected throughout Montana through midday on Saturday. The highest snow amounts will be in north central and northeastern Montana. Right now in north central Montana, it looks like most locations will receive between about 3 and 10 inches of snow. In Great Falls, I'm forecasting 4 to 8 inches of snow accumulation. Then around the Helena area, snow amounts will be a little bit less, just since the snow really won't get going until tomorrow morning. Right now, it looks like most locations will receive between 1 and 6 inches of snow. As we go through the rest of tonight, the wind will begin to pick up, and then it is going to be breezy tomorrow. Sustained wind speeds between 10 and 25 miles per hour, and some gusts over 30 miles per hour will be possible at times. And this wind is going to cause there to be blowing and drifting snow, so that's another hazard that you will have to deal with if you are going to be traveling anywhere tomorrow. And of course, roads will be snow covered for most of tomorrow. Use extreme caution if you will be traveling anywhere. Tonight, low temperatures are going to be in the teens and 20s. Tomorrow, it's going to be a cold day. High temperatures are going to be in the teens and 20s in most spots, but these high temperatures will occur during the morning. Temperatures will be getting colder as the day goes on.